Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix the errors when using Virtualbox. Is it called 1? Yes. Yeah, well, I have been making the virtual machines and create Windows 7 32-bit. Okay, some setting has been set up, and now I click on the Start button, and so you can see this Virtualbox error. The virtual machine has been terminated unexpectedly during startup with a syscall 1. So how to fix this? It is simple, but first I will check again the setting ups. Yeah, nothing is okay, no problems, no errors. Yes. Okay, just click on the button Start. At the right, you can see 3 options. Click on detachable Start, and yeah, you can see it's Start. So it's simply that you just run the Virtualbox as detachable. Okay, that's all. Thanks for your listening.